Hello everyone. Welcome to this wireframing tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to wireframe a school website for a boarding school using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. Make sure to watch till the end to see the complete website design come together. Let's start by adding the browser frame for our website, followed by a rectangle background that can be customized later. Next, we'll place an image placeholder and replace it with the school logo, then drag and drop the header menus. After that, add a CTA button and rename it to Get Quote and customize it. To complete the header, we'll include a search option using a circle and search icon from the MockFlow image library. Finally, add the hero title text along with another CTA button named Find Course. That completes our header section. Now, let's move to the About Us section. We'll begin by adding an image placeholder, a short title, and a main heading, followed by a brief description using dummy text. To showcase the school's benefits, we'll use circles with icons from the MockFlow icon library. Along with short titles and descriptions for each. We'll finish this section by adding a CTA button labeled More About. Next, we'll design the Popular Courses section. Using a rectangle background similar to the previous one, we'll add a section title and subtitle. Then we'll create card layouts by adding rectangles with image placeholders, followed by the course category using the button component. Below that, we'll add the course title, a short description, and additional details, such as the number of seats and the number of semesters, using the link bar. Once one card is ready, we can duplicate it to create more course listings. Moving on, let's build the FAQ section. We'll start with the section title and an image placeholder, then design an accordion layout by using rectangles for each FAQ. Add a small heading and description for the first one. And then duplicate it for the rest to complete the section. Next comes the testimonials section. We'll add a rectangle background and section title, then use the testimonial component from the website UI kit. It's ready to use. It can be easily customized with your preferred text and images. Now, let's create the team members section. Add the section title and image placeholders for teachers, followed by their names and subjects. Once one profile is set, duplicate it to create the rest of the team layout. After that, we'll move to the blogs and articles section. Add the section title and design a set of rectangular cards. Each card will include an image placeholder, blog date, author name, title, short description, and a read more text link. Duplicate this to display multiple blog posts. Next, we'll design the lead generation section. Using the same rectangle background as the blog section, we'll add an input field from the website UI kit and customize it with placeholder text. Then we'll add a CTA button and rename it to Subscribe Now. Finally, let's complete the website with the footer section. We'll use the ready-made footer component from the website UI kit and customize it by adding the logo, navigation menus, and contact details. Once everything is set, we'll replace all image placeholders with real images from the MockFlow image library. And that's it. You've successfully wireframed a complete school website for a boarding school using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. Keep wireframing, keep creating. Like, share, and hit the subscribe for more wireframing videos.